Hello students, today we are going to learn very important topic of maths, that is circle. Objectives of this video include learn different parts of a circle, relationship between radius, diameter and circumference of circle. Let's start. Circle is a closed two-dimensional figure in which all the points in the plane are equidistant from a point called center. Now parts of a circle. Here O is center of the circle. Now see, here AO is the radius of a circle. Radius of a circle is a distance from the center of a circle to any point on its circumference. Here OB is also a radius. We can draw innumerable radii. AB is the diameter. The diameter of a circle is any straight line segment that passes through the center of the circle and whose endpoints lie on the circumference of the circle. How many diameters can we draw? Yes, students, we can draw innumerable diameters. Relationship between radius and diameter. Students, they are like close friends. Here AO is a radius and AB is a diameter. AO is half of AB and BO is half of AB. So, circle's radius is half the length of its diameter. Suppose length AO radius is 2 cm, then length AB means diameter is 4 cm. Now we will see circumference of a circle. It is the measurement of the boundary of the circle. Circumference is also called perimeter of the circle. Suppose it's Navratri and you are playing Garba around a circular path. If you start from arrow shown and come around at the same place, the distance covered by you is the circumference of a circle. Now we will study relationship between radius, diameter and circumference. The ratio of the circumference of any circle to its diameter is little over 3 and remains constant. This constant is represented by the Greek letter pi. Pi is taken to be 22/7 or 3.14. If radius is r, diameter is d and circumference is c, then c is equal to pi d. Also c is equal to 2 pi r. Now let's see some examples. The radius of a circle is 21 cm. Find its circumference. R is equal to 21 cm. C is equal to 2 pi r. Put values. Answer is 132 cm. So, circumference of the circle is 132 cm. Here is a bus. The diameter of the wheel of a bus is 0.7 meter. How many rotations will a wheel complete while traveling a distance of 22 km? Circumference of circle is pi d. Put values. Answer is 2.2 meter. When the wheel completes one rotation, it crosses a distance of 2.2 meter. One rotation is equal to one circumference. Total number of rotations is equal to distance upon circumference, as 22 km is equal to 22,000 meter. Put values. After solving, we will get answer 10,000. A wheel completes 10,000 rotations to cover the distance of 22 km.